a statistical tool for determining which of a set of variants is the best. Yes, people, I am talking about ABtesting.ai app, the best analyst right now to make smarter data-driven decisions that are less dependent on guesswork. And you might want to create an account on ABtesting.ai, but don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, you are into a correct place. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to create an account on ABtesting.ai. For that, I am going to use Google Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. So as you get onto this section, now tap on the search or type of web address option here and then enter here ABtesting.ai. This will take you to the official websites of ABtesting.ai. Tap on this website on the top that says ABtesting.ai. As you get onto this section, tap on this hamburger icon on the top right corner. Now tap on sign up for a free option on the bottom right corner. As you do this, you will get an option of creating an account by using your email address and then creating your password. So tap on email address here and then choose one of the email address like this and then create a password. Make sure to make it stronger. As you finish doing it, scroll down and tap on create account option on the bottom left corner. So here, you can see that you're all set for creating an account on ABtesting.ai. So on the top, you have a notification as well from the ABtesting.ai team. I'm going to tap on it. And then you can see that you're onto this section where you have already been welcomed to ABtesting.ai. And then you can be introduced. Tap on this introducing ABtesting.ai format here. You can see that you can get all of the information related to it. Since you have already created an account, you can go back. And what you can do is you can get onto this Chrome section once again, and then you can execute the further process where you can select your landing page URL, and then you can even create a conversion goal, and then you can try integration. So tap on this profile icon on the top corner to see that that's my own account with my own email address. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an account on ABtesting.ai. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.